Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning block 23, which is rocks and minerals, isn't it, children? And in the first topic, we have learned the different types of rocks. Yes, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Yes, so the second topic, we are going to learn the rock cycle. Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 144. 144. Okay, so rocks are formed by continuously breaking down into smaller pieces, isn't it, children? So this continuous process is called rock cycle. And what is that rock cycle? Let's see. Okay, so we learned that igneous rocks form from the magma from the volcanic eruptions, isn't it, children? When the volcanic erupts, the hot magma comes out, and when that magma cools down, that forms the igneous rocks, isn't it, children? And these igneous rocks, when they break down into smaller pieces and they started moving from one place to another, forming the sediments, isn't it, children? It might be because of the rain, it might be because of the snow, wind, running water, it might be anything. Thus igneous rocks form into sediments, small rocks, and they start moving from one place to another, isn't it? Along with that, the pieces of rocks, the shells, and the plant and animal materials mix together, and they settle down into in a river or a ocean or sea at the bottom, isn't it? And form layers of rocks, which we called it as sedimentary rocks, isn't it, children? And from that, these rocks undergo some heat and pressure and get squeezed, forming the metamorphic rocks, isn't it, children? Yes. And when these metamorphic rocks are pulled down into the earth's crust, again from this metamorphic rocks, when this pulls down under the earth, inside the earth crust, then again it forms into a magma. And again, when the magma comes out of the volcanic eruption, then again it forms igneous rock. Okay, so from igneous sediments, it's formed from sediments. After becoming layers of rocks in the water bodies, they become sedimentary rocks. From there, because of heat and pressure, they form metamorphic rocks. And after melting down into the earth's crust, they get into volcanic eruption, and from there again magma comes. So this is like a cycle. Okay, so this cycle is called rock cycle. Okay, so from magma to again melting down to earth's crust is a rock cycle. Okay, sometimes it happens that this igneous rock directly forms into metamorphic rocks. Again, if it is melted into earth's crust, then again it forms into magma. So this is called rock cycle. And it takes millions of years for rocks to change. Okay, from once the magma comes out of the volcanic eruptions, it forms into igneous rocks, we are telling. But how much time it takes? That takes a long period of time. Okay, from igneous to sediments, again from sediments to sedimentary rocks, and from there to metamorphic rocks, again then from there to again into magma. So it takes millions of years to complete one cycle of rock. Okay, okay, children. So this is about our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and underline in your content book. Okay, children, in page number 144. And if you find any other word difficult, you can add it in your keywords. Okay, children. Coming to your question answers, you have very short question answers here in this topic, children. Let's see. What is a rock cycle? So the series of process that slowly changes rocks from one kind to another and back is called rock cycle. That is igneous rock becoming sedimentary rocks to sedimentary rocks, then from metamorphic rock, then to magma, then again from magma to igneous rocks, isn't it, children? So this is a process. Yes, and it is changing from one form of the rock to the other form of the rock, isn't it? So that is called rock cycle. Okay, coming to your next question, how is sandstone formed? Okay, this sandstone is nothing but your which rock, children? Sedimentary rock, isn't it, children? This sandstone is made of grains of sand. That means the sand grains. So from that, this sandstone forms. Okay, next. Which two factors are necessary for the formation of metamorphic rocks? Heat and pressure, isn't it? Because of the intense heat and pressure, the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks convert into metamorphic rocks, isn't it, children? So write this answer. Next, coming to your last answer of this topic, in which type of rocks would you find fossils and why? So fossils are found in sedimentary rocks, children. Okay, fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. While the layers deposit one over each other, many plants and animals get trapped in these layers and change into fossils. Okay, so write these answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 35, S4, rock cycle. Okay, so in the next class we will learn about the minerals, uses of rocks and minerals. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.